In today's video, I'm going to show you real quick how to reset the oil life indicator on a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. This will also work for 2019, 2021, and many other model Jeeps and similar vehicles. The first thing you're going to want to do is turn your vehicle to the off position. And so I'm going to use the little push button here to turn it off. I'm going to hit it 2 more times. We're going to go back into the run mode without starting the vehicle. So don't put your foot on the brake pedal to start the vehicle. And then you'll notice up on the dash, it's going to pop up saying that our oil change is required. And to reset that, you're going to use this directional pad right here. You're going to press the down arrow button, and you'll notice it says speedometer there. We're going to go down 1 more time until we get to the second part of the menu where it says vehicle information. And then you're going to use the right arrow button to scroll through this menu here until you get to oil life. Once you get to oil life, you're going to press this OK button and hold it. So I'll do that now. And now it is completely reset back to 100%. Pretty simple process. I'm going to go ahead and restart the vehicle now, and that shouldn't pop back up there again. So pretty simple process. If you thought this video was helpful, please consider giving the video a like. Subscribe to help us make more videos just like this. Comment with any questions. Thanks for watching.